funny.
I know.
Oh,
Good
look at those three handsome puppies. Yeah, if you go on YouTube.
Oh no, I forgot to tell her.
Oh, what happened?
She has pictures of all the three dogs. In
It's a very short video.
A little movie.
Oh,
Set to music.
that's cool.
But her name on YouTube is Aloha Allure.
Aloha Allure.
Yeah.
Okay. I'll have to go look for that.
Can you look at it on
Or
our
if you
computer?
email me, send me links. I'll send you links. I mean,
That would work too.
I'm Holly's Folly. You can find my username. Oh, you've got your little thing.
HOLLY.
Yeah, my email is hf, like Holly's Folly, at hollysfolly.com.
Oh, HF at HOLLYS
YSFOLLY.com.
FOLLOY.
FOLLY.
I got messed up.
Well, my accent is sort of.
FOLLOY.
No, FOLLY. Folly.
I don't see why we did.